Okay guys, so this is why I hate going to those quick lube places to have your oil changed. Watch our videos. We have a million different kinds of oil changes on here and brake jobs and everything else. But here's a perfect example of why not to go to those places. This is my sister-in-law's car. She just had her oil changed at one of those fast lube places. It didn't take too long. You know, I've heard nightmares about people having their oil pan plug stripped. That's pretty common to happen over there because they're in too much of a rush. Check this out. So it's a little tricky to find the dipstick hole in this car, but here's the oil stick right here. It was kind of down like this. I was gonna double check the oil for her, but I noticed it was flopping around. So they never even put it into the dipstick tube. So you can see right there, right where the light is, there's the dipstick tube. And the dipstick is jammed between the tube and the engine block. They never even put the freaking dipstick down into the tube. It's ridiculous. I'm gonna fix this right now, recheck her oil for her, make sure she's okay. But see the stick right there, right near the light? It's beside the tube. The tube is right above it. So they friggin' wedged it in there and never even checked the oil, just sent her on her way. Steve and I cover a lot of stuff on the channel. We do a lot of brake jobs, a lot of oil changes, all kinds of stuff like that. Typical easy maintenance stuff. We get into some difficult stuff too, but we'll show you how to do things the right way and what to look for if you have somebody else do your oil change so you know you're not getting hosed. It's another reason why you should subscribe to the channel. It's free. Why not? You're not missing out, you know, it'll help you out a lot. So if you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll reply back to you. Thanks for watching.